Hello everybody, welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. Sorry for the little water spill there. I got a little water on the table. I need to vacuum this table. Matter of fact, let me change my light settings here real quick. Let's see which one we're looking for here. I think that one's good. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna play where I'm gonna lay a lot of 4s and 10s, and then I'm also gonna bet the inside, but we're gonna bet, sometimes we're gonna bet hops, and sometimes we're gonna just bet the box numbers, okay? All right, so here we go. We're not gonna have any pass line wager. We're just playing on the table with our $5,000. Oh, guys, do me a favor. Go to Investing with Jimmy. I'm going to put the link down in the comments and in the description, and support that channel, okay? I just made a new video at Investing with Jimmy. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead and do this. We're gonna play with a random roller. We don't have to worry about no pass line, no don't pass, none of that. Okay, here we go. We don't have anything going on the come out. Okay, so that's a 6. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go no 4 for 100. That's our first wager. Okay, we're going to get a 7. We're going to make 50 bucks already. Okay, we're going to leave our no 4 up there for the come out. We're going to get another 50 bucks. Okay, we're going to leave it up there again. A 3. An 8 is the point. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to hop the 5, the 6, and the 9. Okay? We're going to hop all those. The 5, the 6, and the 9. Okay? Those are one-time bets. Those are hop bets, okay? So we got $5 on the 2 5s, $5 on the 2 9s, and we have all 3 of the 6s. Okay? Okay, we hit the 4. Oh, that was brutal. That was brutal. We lose everything. We lose the big L for loser. Okay, we're going to lose that. No problemo. We ain't scared. We ain't scared. Okay, we're going to go 200 on no 4. And we're going to pump these guys up to $10 each on our 5s. $10 each on our 6s. And $10 each on our 9s. Okay, here we go. 7. All right. We get 100 here, and we lose all this. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We make $30. Okay, we make $30. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and work the come out. Just like that. Everything stays up. Dealer, keep me up. 9. Okay, point is a 9. Okay, we're going to lose everything. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60 loss. $150 win. $150 win. Booyah! Okay, now we're going to come and make this only 100. Let's roll with your bad self. That's a 12. That's an 8. A 6. An 11. And there's our 7. 50 bucks. $50 make you holla. All right, let's keep our no 4 going on the come out. There's a 9. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to hop the 5s, the 6s, and the 8s. That's our bet. 5, 4, 1, 5. Okay, we're going to lose $25, $30, $30, $35. We lose $35, but we get 75. Okay. 6, 7, $50, $50. Guys, if you can't win in craps, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro, because this game is so easy. Okay, we're going to work to come out. 7, $50, man. $50. Y'all going to your work every single day. You got to work like a whole hour to make that 50 bucks. Some of you got to work 2 hours. We just roll one dice and we make that, man. What's up? 8. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hold off for a minute. 6. 6. So what I'm trying to do right now is I threw 2 6s and I threw an 8. So I've hit my 2 strongest numbers already. I want to kind of see something else. Very possible that 4 is coming. And there's a 7. That's good for us. But sooner or later we're going to get picked off. But not right now, we're not. All right, I'm going to take 100 and give them 50. See, y'all had to work another 2 hours to make that money, man. Another hour to make that money. We making $50 every 2 minutes. Okay, there's a 5. All right, I'm going to wait a little longer. There's a 10. All right, dealer, move my no 4 to the no 10. 7, 7, 11. 7 even back door little Joe. That's another $50. Man, you guys are sitting in a cubicle, man, for like 10 hours. Man, screw that, man. Just watch Gamble with Jimmy and go to play craps, man. What the hell's wrong with you? There's an 8. What the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is wrong with you? 7. Give me another $50, man. We'll take 100. We'll give them 50. Okay, here we go. New point. 3. Whoa, I lost my dice. Hold up. They flew out of my hand, man, and they went all the way down in the room. 6. 3. 9. 12. 7. 7, 11. Another 50 bucks. Okay, here comes the come out. 5. All right, we're going to hit the 6, the 8, and the 9 with these hops, okay? I got to get me a quarter worth of red. All right, there's our bet, guys. Let's go. A 9. 6, 3, 9. Okay, we're going to lose. We lose 35, but we make $75, and I'm going to give them a nickel or 25. Okay, coming down on that. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to lose that $100. No problem, because this is what we're going to do. We're going to put 200 there. No problem. And there's a 7. So just like that, we got back our 100 bucks. All right? That's how we roll. All right, we're going to come down on that lay. We're going to go with no 4 on the come out. No 4 on the come out. 3. 8 is the point. Okay, nothing yet. 7. Oh no, that was a 7, guys. That was a 617. 50 bucks. Y'all working out. Work in that cubicle. Get back to work, boy. Put that bait on, boy. I got my friend, he has a captain's charter business, and he's got a guy that works with him, and he's the guy that, you know, I forget what they call those guys. The mate that he puts all the bait on, you know, when the people are fishing and they lose their bait. So we always joke and say, we say, put that bait on, boy. But we say it like this, put that bait on, boy. Put that bait on, boy. Put that no 4 on, boy. Put that no 4 on. 3. Pay me that $50, boy. Give me that 50, boy. Okay, $50 change to the casino. Man, we're just too good, bro. We're done. This is just too easy of a game, man. Like, a monkey could do this stuff, guys. Come on, man. What are you guys crying about? I can't win. What are you talking about, man? How many times do I got to show you? Every single episode is just free money, man. $615 in 10 minutes. Come on, Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Let's go. I'm out, guys. Peace. Bah. Bah.